I chose Ross because I'd seen the commercials, but I had just been laid off and I became homeless and I could not find a job. So I saw where everything needed strong medical terminology, and I'd heard of Ross, and so I applied, and within a week I started school. Before Ross, I worked with mentally ill and people who were homeless. And when I lost my job, I became homeless again, and I came back to Midland. Starting at Ross was exceptional because people accepted me, no matter how they looked at me or knew what had happened to me. It was a good school, good directors, good teachers. So it helped me accept myself again. The best thing about Ross is my teacher, Julie McIntosh. I've had great instructors. There's great people right from the start when you walk in the door. She taught me great things, and I'm so proud to be a student of hers in what I've learned, and hope I can be as good a medical assistant as she is.
I use Dixie's story for many of my new students to demonstrate that no matter how life throws at you, you can keep moving forward.